guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a lot of stuff that I found at Michael's. I went 2 days ago, so this is something that is still going on. And I went just because I needed a couple of acrylic paints. But oh my god, I found all these grab bags that they had over there. And they are $4 each one of them, and the wreaths are also $4 each one of them. I have no room to show you them completely, but you get the idea. This is absolutely beautiful. I bought this for my daughter. She loved it, and it was $50, and I got it for just $4. It's gorgeous. And by the beginning of the year, sorry, I have to put the things away. My daughter and I went to Michael's, and she fell in love with this wreath, and it was at that time 75% off, so she bought it for her house. And I wanted one for myself, but I couldn't afford the price at that moment. So I said, okay, no deal for me, because it was also $50, even 70% off. It was 70% or 75%, I don't remember. It was too much for me. Guess what? I found it for $4. I bought it for $4. It's beautiful, an awesome wreath for winter, and it's still more than a month for spring, so I can still use it. So I'm going to hang it in my door as soon as I finish this video. Sorry that I can't show it completely, but well, you can see it. I love these cotton balls. I think it's adorable. Okay. I have to be honest, I know what is inside because the bags were broken, and anyways, you could see. I haven't opened this one yet, so I'm going to open it with you, and also the one that is over there. This one is a lot. This one, but this was open and this was broken and open, so I know more or less what is inside. All letters, and more letters. They are the marquee type, so I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this one. I'm planning on doing the ho-ho word for Christmas, and there are no O's, so I'm going to use mini wreath to make the O's. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there are more here. Yes, 6 H's. And then I have W's, K, H, B's. This is a P. Another B, H. I think this is it. Tons of them, and I'm going to keep a couple of them for myself. I'm going to ask my daughter-in-law if she wants one. I know my daughter doesn't want, and I'm going to sell the rest on eBay, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be successful because I've done this before with other letters that, as I told you a couple of times before, we are dumpster divers, and kind of a year ago we found a lot of letters that they were different to this one. They were kind of I don't know, it's kind of a fabric, and I sold most of them, so I'm going to do the same with this one. My God, it's absolutely broken. I will try to move it, but I don't know. Sorry. Just bear with me. Okay, thanks for bearing with me. I've got this one, this box. All those letters were $4, for you to have an idea. All those letters. Let me see if I can see the regular price. Well, these ones $6, and this one is $6 also. So not even the value of one letter. $4 for all those letters. I couldn't resist. I had to buy them. Look at this. Aren't these cans absolutely adorable? Regular price $20. So $40 for $4. Let's see now the surprises. Let me see what's here. What's in here? What's this? Oh my God, this is so beautiful. It seems that, yeah, this is broken, but can be fixed. Oh, I love this one. $20. Can you believe this? I wouldn't pay $20 for this. I consider Michael's a very expensive store, so I rarely buy things at Michael's. Only acrylic paints, and there's a specific type of candle that I only get there, and that's what I buy. But okay, look at this frame. I love it, love it, love it, love it. $20. Oh my God, I love it. Okay, what else? More $20 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. Christmas, baby's first Christmas. Oh my God. Oh wow. These are so beautiful. Of course, 2018, but maybe, I don't know, someone who had a picture of a baby first Christmas from 2018 would like to have this frame. I will try to sell them on eBay, or maybe I'll try to sell one and I will donate the others. But honestly, $80. Sorry for the noise. $100. $120, all for $4. Amazing. Let's go to the last bag. I see frames. I'm going to do this. That's faster. Oh, I think we have more of these kind of frames or whatever. I love this one. Oh my God. I love, love, love this frame. This is for me. I'm going to keep it. Also $20. Can you believe this? I love these grab bags. It's the first time we get grab bags because we never go we don't go often to Michael's, and almost never by this time of the year. So they told us that they do this every year after the holiday season. But we've never been there, so we are going to go there every year now, we know. $20. Look at this frame. Isn't this adorable? Oh my god. I think I'm going to keep this. And also this one, I'm going to keep this one. I don't know. Too many frames. And yes, these are... Yes, they're all the same. I thought there was one that was different, but no, it's all the same. 3 of them. Oh, this came apart, and I can fix this with some glue. This is okay. I don't know if it was in frames. Yes. This is also okay. This is in perfect condition. This has nothing broken. And this is also in perfect condition. So I think I'll try to sell them. I'm going to keep them. I know my daughter wanted one of them because we could see them. I could see this one. I didn't really see these ones. Well, I had the idea, but not perfectly. We saw this one in the other bag, and she wanted one, so she can keep one. And I'm going to keep another one and maybe try to sell the others, or maybe they could make nice gifts for the upcoming holidays. Sorry. For the next holidays. Oh my god, sorry about that. Well, this is all we got in the grab bags. And I was looking for mason jars. And I was planning on going to Dollar Tree because I needed 3 of them. And I saw this at Michael's. Look at this. And I also needed a basket or some caddy, some place where I could place the mason jars. So when I saw this, I thought, oh my god, you know, the price is from Ashland, which is expensive. $16. I thought, no way, they are really pretty, but no way I'm going to find the ones at Dollar Tree for $1 each. And then I will find some basket or something. And then I looked, and on the shelf it reads $8. There were smaller ones, larger ones. All of them were $8 each. So I thought, wow, I can't believe it. It's exactly what I was looking for. And $8. It's I still can't believe it. I went to the cashier and I asked her, is this really $8? And she scanned it and she said yes, it is. So I'm happier than happy, and I really wanted to share this with you, especially the grab bags, and I wanted to do it quickly because I think you still can go to Michael's and find some of them. There were a lot of them. Also the wreath, there were a lot of them. So my advice is, if you like this kind of things, go to Michael's now. And if you need something like this, also you can go there and find them for $8. And I think it's really, really a good deal. So this is the end of the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I really hope that if you are trying to get this stuff, you will find everything you want at your Michael's, your local Michael's, because I know that there are differences depending on where you live. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Ring the bell so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I usually upload on Mondays, and next one is going to be a scrapbooking one. And hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.